Let's take a look at wait time and see if this process is in control or out of control. To do a control chart in Sigma Excel, we'll go to the Control Chart tab, drop down the menu, and first thing we might do is go down to Test for Special Cause Defaults. We want to make sure that our alarm system is fully turned on. When we select that, you'll see all 8 of the tests. And we want to make sure that the button marked Run All Tests for Special Causes is checked. You only really need to do this once. Once that's turned on, it will stay turned on. We'll save. Then let's go to Control Charts, Individuals, Entire Table next, and we will select Wait Time as our variable. We'll go down here and please make sure that you have checked Tests for Special Causes. That turns on your full alarm system. We'll also check the Sigma zone lines just for fun. Go ahead and punch OK. And you can clearly see that there are no red numbers showing up. That means our process is stable or in control. What the chart is telling you is that your average performance will be approximately a 29-minute wait time. The variation you can expect would be variation anywhere from 12.5 minutes roughly up to about 45.5 minutes roughly for wait times. This is a stable and in control process. Let me show you a quick feature in this. We'll go back to the original page, scroll down, and in column G, I'm going to add some data. We'll type in a 50, go down, and under that we'll put in, let's say, a 29. And make sure that you hit return so that it registers that. Now we'll go back to the individuals chart we just created. And notice in the upper left, you have some options. Add data to this control chart. If you select that, it will now add the 2 data points, but it will also recalculate the control limits. We don't want that to happen. Once you have a process that's stabilized, you want to lock in those control limits and evaluate all future data relative to those control limits. So we'll choose the second option, add the data and preserve the axis values. We do that. And notice that our process is now out of control. We violated test number 1 at point number 101 in the datasheet. Let's say that you investigate this and you find that there was a special cause. There was a fire alarm, people in the waiting room had to evacuate, they went outside, it was only a drill, they went back in, but that artificially inflated the wait time for that particular observation. Once we found that out, we want to eliminate that from all of our calculations in our analysis. To do that, we'll go to this option which says Exclude Data Points. Select that. We'll type in point number 101, and you have several options. Either show a gap for that data point, just take it out totally, or show a highlighted point. So we'll select Show Highlighted Points, punch Exclude Points, and here you can see that our process is now back in control. It notes down here that we have excluded points number 101, and it also flags that excluded point with a red square up there. So that's our new friend, the individuals chart.